Hi, good morning, Hiba.
Hi, good morning. Hi,
Yes,
how are you?
yeah, I'm doing good. How are you, Hiba?
I'm fine.
Good.
I'm doing good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Ramadan, the second week of Ramadan, it started, right?
Start, yeah, a little bit hard. It's hot, it's coming hot and start feeling thirsty since
Okay.
yesterday. Yeah. Mm.
Okay, got it. So what about your children's? They used to take fasting.
Yeah, they do.
So what's the age for them?
Only the little one. I have 17 and yeah, and 15.
Okay.
So they do, yeah. Since they were in grade 4. Yeah, they do fasting. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. We had done a lot of cheatings when we were childhood, I said the previous week, yeah.
Oh, really? No, I didn't hear
During
that.
during fasting,
Hmm.
in our childhood, what we used to do is like, if you're completing 30 days of fasting, we make it zakat,
Yeah.
sadaqah, zakat from our elders. But if you are
Yes.
reducing number of fasting days, it's also a problem. So we have to
Of
keep
course.
every 30 days so that we
Yeah.
are not able to do that in the time I'm
It's
talking about
hard.
in the age of 7th class and
Hmm.
6th classes I'm talking about when I'm studying the
Hmm.
6th standard. It's like the age is almost 10, 11. Okay.
Mm-mm.
So what we used to do is a kind of a cheating when we are doing ablution, ablution, yeah,
Yeah.
before prayer.
Yeah.
First of all, we have to clean the mouth, right?
Yeah.
So how I used to clean the mouth, half of the water will be going to the belly.
Inside.
Nobody will see. Actually, we are also thinking God, even Allah is also not even seeing. Yeah, that thought
Oh my
comes.
God. Yeah.
Then whenever we are, bathing, there's a shower in our room, shower in our washroom. And in addition to that, we'll be having a well, well. You know
No.
what is well? Is it
No.
what we say? We are taking the water directly from the soil.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a
Yeah. I
well easier,
understand. It's like
We
wool.
absolutely
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, well.
Yeah.
So we are having a bucket and drop. We'll be
Uh,
taking like this. Yeah,
yeah.
we'll be taking the water from the like that. So it's a pure water, right? Pure water.
Yeah. Of
Shower
course.
water is
From
not good. Yeah, shower water is not.
cold and that one cold and
That's pure water and the cold one. So
yeah.
we'll be bathing like this, yeah, with a bucket direct from the soil, yeah. Then half of the water will be in our this one. It happens number of times, and now I realize what immature things we have done the years before. But it's only to prove our elders that we have done, 30 days of
Yeah.
fasting. In addition to
Yeah.
that, how I used to recite the Quran, Quran. Yeah, it's 30 juzah is the 30 juzah. Yeah, we need to khatam,
Yeah.
yeah,
You have
completion of.
to complete it.
So
It's not
in
you have, but it's nice to, yeah.
yeah, yes,
That's,
it's nice to
yeah.
complete. It's only
Yeah.
optional, but even if we do the completion, our grandfather will give a lot of money.
Of course, yeah,
So
reward.
I cannot read completely. So I will be just doing managing like that. What
Just
happened? Yeah. It's like in one juicer, almost 20 pages are there. I'll be reciting only 2 to 3. Then we'll be spending, reciting like this. We'll be showing like that. Then a lot of cheating has done at the time.
yeah, that at least you were trying.
Yes. We are trying
Yeah.
it.
Yeah,
We
you're
have
trying.
a habit of fasting from our early years
Yeah, that's nice.
in native, very, very early years, because everyone will take in our native
Yeah.
place, everyone will take. So
Yeah,
that's very
like
mandatory for us. But those who are not taking the fasting is a big problem.
yeah,
During the
that's
time of breaking iftar, breaking iftar time,
yeah,
nobody
yeah,
will
that's
accompany us at the time. Yeah, that's the biggest
yeah.
concern. We will not get the food.
No
So
one,
we are
yeah.
being forced to take the fasting every time basis.
It's true, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what's your status on your MBA project? I think we have
Yeah,
discussed most of the things in dissertation, including
it's
conclusion, recommendations. Yeah.
we have done it. Yeah, I have done the work, alhamdulillah, and I just need to show it to you.
Okay.
Yeah. So see where. Just a minute. Just a second. Let me open.
Have you uploaded all your assignments and everything in the class
Yeah.
pro?
Yeah,
Very
I
good.
did.
I just want to see, okay?
Yeah,
What all you have
only
done.
the project I have not submitted until now. I wanted
Wonderful.
to show it to you first, and
Okay,
then
okay, perfect.
like now I have my daughter, 5 years old. Yeah, she's attending Quran classes. So
Oh,
the
mashallah.
teacher, she's memorizing lots of surah. So the teacher emphasized them yesterday to every Friday to go fast, go have lunch, and then fast until iftar. So
Okay,
she let them eat and then go fast. See,
great.
but she told them this is birds fasting.
Really great.
Yeah, here we have chapter 4.
Once again, I
Let's
want to
start
see.
from the beginning. 1
I
minute.
want to see what all assignments you kept it here.
Hmm?
Okay, so you submitted your cases in leading education 21st century,
Yeah,
strategic management, business economics, business management,
Mhm.
seminar in human management, seminar in financial management. So we also have
One of them, I just
Yeah, I will tell you. I will
confused.
tell you.
Yeah.
Just a second.
Mm.
I'll be creating today itself. So what all they have in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 7, you're done. 6. So I also want to check it out. They're having total 11.
That's I have the page I have.
Cases in the planning and development, operations management, cases in operation management.
Like we have done lots of case studies.
Yeah,
It's
that's
not,
only we need to do that.
It's not showing in my LMS.
Okay, I will be adding that.
Mm.
Once again. Just wait.
Mhm.
Financial management, management, business management, operation management. Okay. The cases in education, planning and development. Cases. I believe now you can see that. The new assignment one. Cases in operations management. Are you able to see?
No, see what?
In the
Shall I
class,
stop sharing?
One second.
Mm. You're uploading now?
Yes.
Mhm.
Because you're not able to see that too, right?
Yeah.
Operations management and cases and planning and development. Now you will be able to see that.
Mm.
I'm checking what all other 3 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3. Total 11. Total 11. Let me check it out.
Please don't make it hard to me.
Your name is Hiba Khalil Shaida Al Zaidi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. So now let me check it out. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. One more is the missing. Education planning development, financial management. Yes, management information system is also there. Yes, you remember you have done a presentation on the management information system.
Mhm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that also I wanted to add. Then everything is done. Just 1 minute also. Okay, this is a management information system.
We used the IKEA, I think, remember?
Yeah.
Mm.
Done with. Now faculty name. Yes. That's really good that you have uploaded everything. And now we can confirm your in this one project as well. Then you can go for submission there. Yes.
Allah. Yeah.
You can share your work. You can also explain a little bit, okay? Like what
Yeah.
you've done. A small explanation also you can give. I
No
want to
problem.
know whether you understood the things or not, the way of how to write a project.
Yes. So educational leadership in the era of AI and UAE. So we
Yeah.
have focused in AI in UAE study, a strategic approach by okay. So here is the small abstract regarding
Okay.
the study.
Okay.
We're integrating AI into our education system. Here is our content. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3,
Very good.
4,
No,
5.
have you provided abstract before table of content?
Yeah.
After that, we can provide.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
Go.
Abstract you can give after that.
After?
the table of yes, table of content.
Okay. A glossary of key terms we're using in our
Okay, no problem.
project. Yeah. Chapter 1, introduction. We have discussed the introduction. We have used. Okay.
Now you can delete research proposal from the
Yeah.
in the top.
I can what?
In the introduction, you have written in research proposal, right?
So I delete the research proposal.
Yes. Now the research proposal has gone. Now it's only a MBA project.
Okay. Okay. So introduction, background of the
Okay.
study.
Okay. No. One second. What you have written, AI education as a capital. Education can be small letters. The fifth line.
Which one?
Fifth line. Yeah, fifth line.
Fifth.
Yes, AI
Yeah.
education, the capital, Last. Fifth line
Uh-huh.
last. Yes.
Yeah.
AI can be capital, but education,
Yeah.
E only capital, but remaining things can be small letter.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay.
You want also education also small? E?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Okay.
Yeah. I will again take a look to see if there is any small mistakes.
Okay.
Okay,
What do you mean by statement of the problem?
Statement of the problem. Well, what
Yeah.
we have, we wants to see what is the problem we need to search about. Like in education, we have some challenges in to integrate AI into education, especially for leadership, approach. So focused, where is the problem in the education, in the integrating AI. So first, second one, how to implement these AI into education leadership, and how to make it, especially these like let me show it to you. In my study, we're focusing to see where is the challenges, what strategies we need to focus to implement and to integrate AI into education system.
Okay.
Yeah. So it takes, like yeah.
Okay. Continue.
Yeah. Research objectives. So we have 4 objectives.
Good.
How to investigate AI integration into education system, and categories barrier into adoption, like systematically leadership gaps, ethicals, resources, yeah. And then compare and contrast UAE case studies. We used case studies into the to study these challenges and how to implement them, and identify development in digital literacy, how to start notice these challenges and how to cover them, and yeah. So research questions. I have these 4 questions that study based on. So current use of AI technologies in UAE educational system leaders, how they use it, how they are adapt to these educational digital into education, discussion of challenges and implementation, case studies focused, and the third thing, policy recommendation. Okay, significance of the study, educational leaders and policymakers, educators, and students. All these stakeholders in taking critical implication in this study. Definitions of terms, key terms, artificial intelligence, educational leadership, digital equity, ethical leadership. Limitation, graphically in UAE, and take scope constraints, which is leader strategies rather than technical AI development. Yeah, so methodological limitation, resilience on case studies, we used examples for 3 schools, GEMS in Abu Dhabi, and GEMS Education and in Sharjah.
Very
Yeah,
good.
structure of dissertation. So starting from the introduction, literature review, research methodology, data analysis, discussion and recommendation, and then conclusion. That's our project content. Expanding the insights of the references. These references, we took some information like AI-driven leadership framework, 2024, and ethical consideration, global comparisons in UAE and where other schools. Yeah, so chapter 2 focused in first literature review. We have a small introduction, how AI technologies, adaptive learning platform in UAE starting, and then how the leadership still have a problem to adapt into AI integration. So we will overcome these challenges, and we will see what are first these challenges and how we will overcome these.
Very good.
Yeah. So this chapter structured the theoretical framework in education leadership, AI education global perspectives, integration UAE education. I don't know, maybe in here I need to make it same. Yeah. Yeah.
What do you mean by SAIS?
What is it? SAIS?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Sharjah American International School
Okay.
in Sharjah. GEMS also. Yeah, challenges and identified research gaps, discussing all overall lack of for case studies. Theoretical framework, we took we adopted 3 theoretical framework like transformational leadership and distributed leadership. So first with the transformational leadership, how it's showing or implementing AI into an old methods, and then how to let them adapt into using these transformational leadership strategies into integrating AI and implements it into their system. And then distributed leadership, start giving them, educators, leadership, technology, take them to, into the introduce them to the AI. For example, expertise of teachers in AI tools can be critical to into determining how these technologies are implemented. So how to support them, we used like other who knows more and give them, distributed these technology and methods into their system.
Very good. Very good.
Ethical leadership, like most of the teachers still are leaders, because we are focusing on leadership, still have ethical problem into AI integration. So we give them like workshops using different methods to how to be comfortable using these, have these ethical
So what the
overcome.
statistics is talking about?
What statistic?
Yeah, statistics is the next page.
Yeah. So, yeah, in AI and education global perspectives. So here are we talking globally, how they education integrating AI system. So personalized learning, there is so many tools using into their education. Like these global AI tools, implement these tools, integrate these tools into education system here in Dubai, in UAE general. Like Dreambox, Learning and Smart Sparrow provided educational contents into personalized way to cater each student's needs. Okay, in order to increase students' engagement. So so that's the reason these tools increase students' engagement and their outcomes and learning. And so this is example like Dreambox, one of these tools used in the education system, into as focused or into targeting students. Like second thing, administrative efficiency, using another tools like Gradescope. These tools focused on how to evaluate the students and know where is the students where the students needs more focus. They have lack of in their education and need to focus more on them. And also it showed the leaders, where are they going? Like where is our students? Do they need more intervention? Do they need, so see where they have like students into a higher level. So Gradescope, it can let them understand where is their students outcomes. Yeah, data-driven decision making, like the education leaders can make their decisions also. It helps them, especially when it comes to decision making. So using AI-driven analytics, for example, they're using into the bots, I think, here, into the leaders' insights, into students' performance and institutions' effectiveness. Yeah. Yeah. Logarithmic space also, they can see where their students. Here, yeah. So into AI integration in UAE education. So strategy we're using based on national AI strategy 2031, Sheikh Mohammed now in education, adapting these objectives. So focusing on smart learning strategies and partnership with technologies companies, especially now in UAE, in Dubai and UAE, adapting these strategies for the next 10 years. And so smart learning strategy projects that aim to strengthen the level of education by using modern learning methods and modern technology. Partnership, like UAE framed both alliance with a few ethical, technical companies, groups, and universities worldwide. Okay. So GEMS Education, one of the schools that's starting these, adapting these methods right now. So we use this graph.
Okay.
Showing how personalized learning and administrating efficiency into education. Yeah.
No, you just see the citation you have provided for the statistics graph, figure 2, Diakitka, Journal of Kependikan, volume 3. No need to mention journal name, and the volume 30, number 4, November also. Only 2024 is required, and the Didaktika, the other name only required. You delete November, journal.
This one delete.
Yeah, yes. And November
this?
also delete. November also delete.
November. Okay.
Then double colon just delete. No. Yes.
Oh, no. No, wait. It's okay. So here. Comma.
Yeah. Okay.
Just let me ignore this. Okay, because I can't see.
Again, we don't need to write the figure 2 here. The small paragraph, No, not there. No. Yes, that you can do.
Yeah. Mistakes.
Okay, continue, please.
Yeah. So here are the challenges: leadership preparedness, ethical and privacy concerns, resistance to change. Okay, these are main focused on the study challenges. Identified research gaps. So limited and UAE-based case study we used, and lack of research on AI policy frameworks. Insufficient exploration of long-term impact.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So summary of key findings.
No.
So review is.
You can give a conclusion for this chapter instead of giving summary of the key findings. The key findings will come only at the end of all the chapters. So here you can write the conclusion of this chapter. Conclusion. Or summary. Simply, you can write summary.
Okay. Summary. Yeah.
Key finding is not required here. So you have identified certain research gap. The 3 research gap you have identified from this, yeah. Limited access, limited research work in that, limited case studies. Okay. And long-term impact also you have mentioned that. Fine. Now you can go for the 3rd chapter.
Yeah. 3rd chapter, research methodology.
You can give a small introduction for this chapter.
Okay. It has. Okay.
Sandler. No, the spelling of the Sandler onion, Saunders.
I changed it and then I returned back to.
Okay. See, you have written
I
the
remember.
Saunders till 2019.
Yeah.
You can write the Saunders research onion layer model.
The problem, there is Sandler and there is Sounder. And I remember when we discussed it at the beginning, it was about Sandler. So that's why I kept.
Saunders research onion model.
Yeah. So philosophy, positivism in our research focused on adopting positive, which focus on objective reality that one can measurable, collect using numerical observation and analysis. So the philosophy is appropriate for study because it attempts to find measurable patterns and outcomes associated with the adoption of AI in UAE schools. Yeah. Approach, detective. So we will search using case study. So So I need to keep it like this, or
Yeah, it's good. It's good. You can keep
keep
bold.
it? It keep it, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
The collection. It's just an overview, you know, not focused, just giving example. Observation, yeah. Document analysis. Learning
Okay.
initiative. Tool report. Ethical consideration. Informed consent. And confidentiality and non-anonymity. Culture. Sensitivity. Research limitation. Integration with AI with attached references. Here is summary again. So chapter 4. So here I summary. Is it okay or?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Chapter 4, data analysis and findings. So cases insights from in schools, theme and pattern, competitive analysis, summary, yeah. So case study, school. So we adapt to 3 schools. School A, which is a public school in Dubai.
Abu Dhabi.
In Abu Dhabi, sorry. Yeah, leadership strategy challenges, what they have and challenges through leadership and other challenges. Private school in Dubai, international school in Dubai. Okay. AI integration. School B is like rural school and charter school. Yeah, so here is a higher level into education, how they are implementing AI into their education, how they strategies they used into their leadership, challenges. And then charter schools in Sharjah. And AI integration. Personalized learning and using teach math and leadership strategies, also using I think and challenges. So this is our case study focused themes and patterns, leadership preparedness. Yeah. Privacy concerns and resistance to change. Leadership. Okay. Comparative analysis. Here is comparison between what's the similarity in these schools and what the differences and they in common they have in common differences. So here, same thing.
The picture is not clear, I think. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, it's fine.
Yep.
Hmm.
You hear same thing? It's like fine. Education leadership role, ethical concerns, and
No.
things to change.
Once you're finding,
Okay.
once you're summarizing, before that you need to write that. Are you getting?
Mhm.
Summary should be the last of it, of the chapter.
Mm.
Now, for example, 4.5 must be
Mm.
the last of
Yeah,
it, right?
after
After this.
yeah, after 4.7.
Also, you have written
No
conclusion, yeah?
conclusion. Yeah.
So do one thing. You can give the whatever you have written in the summary, copy and
Mm.
paste it, and add it in the here last 4.7.
Yeah, 4.7.
So you can delete that summary
4.5
from
to
the
4.7.
you can delete from that summary and copy and paste it here.
Yeah. Oh. Mhm. I did not. Just remember. Yeah. Chapter 5, discussion and recommendation.
Okay. Preparation of findings. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
leadership approach and AI literacy, ethical governance and data privacy. Resistance to change and collaborative leadership.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So application of education leadership in UAE. Yeah. So emphasize professional development. So to overcome these challenges and yeah, like we do partnership with other institutions or universities like Mohammed bin Zayed University of Artificial
Mm.
Intelligence now.
Okay,
They
good.
have like workshops. Yeah.
Very good.
Ethics trainings models. Yeah. Fostering collaborative culture.
Mm-hmm.
So how by AI innovation labs
Got it.
between teachers, IT staff, students, yeah, community forums, like especially for these schools, like focusing. Developing ethical guidelines. Also, phase audit, national program of for artificial intelligence. Transparency reports, students' data bill of rights, like yeah, to overcome ethical challenges. Here still not. Keep it.
But from who you
Still,
got it?
this one still I don't.
Okay,
I
you
didn't
have to
add
provide.
the. Yeah, I didn't
Okay, come
add.
down, come down. If
Yeah.
you're getting the sources, you can mention
Yeah,
the
I will
source.
add it.
Source, this one, the source. Yes.
This one still. I have noticed. Okay, AI-driven strategies of effective
Okay.
leadership in school, implementing data-driven decision-making by predictive analytics for at-risk students. Yeah, so here, how they know who's their students needs more intervention. Enhancing students' engagement through AI tools, personalized learning platforms, gamified learning, making learning more interactive and engagement, communicating with the value of AI integration. Success stories. Policy recommendation. So what they need to use, what they need to follow to overcome the policy issue. So establishing national AI education policies, AI literacy mandates, UAE Central, which is the training of all the schools they do in to it's mandatory trainings. They do it for the leadership and
Okay.
teachers. Ethical AI certification they can have also. It will strengthen their
Very good.
their standards schools. Supporting equity. They give schools who needs more support. They work with them to
Perfect.
raise their level in their AI education, technological wise.
Very good.
Monitoring and evaluating AI integration. Yeah. Regulatory authority. Studies. Future research directions. So in the future, what they needs to do. 5 to 10 years in order to judge
Okay.
sustainability.
Future research direction is all about. So Hiba has gone through this research. Hiba find out all these things. Now, what you can suggest to other researchers, those who are studying about this area? So you are going to say them, okay, you can study about the 5 to 10 years of across the studies about UAE. Because I studied only 2-3 years, for example. So you can also take some other nations for this. Comparative studies of other culture you can do. Stakeholders perspective you can do. This is a future research direction, okay?
Yeah. So cross-culture comparisons, UAE's centralized approach to AI versus Finland. Yeah. And then also stakeholders' perspectives.
Why
Electing.
Finland?
I think it's they're better in their using.
Okay.
So they adapt their what do you call it? تجربة. Their experiment, they're used.
Very good.
They adapted, yeah. Stakeholder perspective, stakeholders, yeah. Partner perspective on attitude towards AI, because most of the stakeholders, they still have, these, into through a survey and, yeah. And here is the summary for the chapter 5, implication of findings.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
It's fine. You can go to the chapter 6 conclusion.
Conclusion, summary of the research. Yeah.
Okay, there's a 4 key questions. Yes, come down.
Yeah,
You have answered all these questions.
We have answered these questions, yes. So the study conclude educational leaders, contribution to knowledge and practices, theoretical contribution, transformation.
No. 1 second. 1
So
second.
to go back?
Contribution to knowledge and practice, come down. Theoretical contribution. The study is the theoretical understanding how to analyze it. Okay, come down. Okay.
Mm.
Yes, yes, I think leadership. Yes, yes, come down.
Mm. 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 Mm.
Okay.
Mm. 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 Mm.
Yes, come down.
Mm. 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 Mhm. So here, for this one, what should I do? Same? Keep it?
No, this is, only Lang Velditi,
Mm.
2024.
Ah.
Whenever we are providing the sources and citations, we'll be writing the author name and the year, or
Yeah.
the website name and the year of publishing. That's all about.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay, please come down, come down. I have some suggestions before 10:30 I'll be giving
Mm.
you. Yes, yes. That is already addressed. You have already mentioned the effective school
Yeah.
leadership. No need of
Mm.
it. It's a repetition.
I think, yeah,
Come down, come
yeah.
down, come
Same
down.
thing.
Let me check it out. Be fast.
Mm.
Okay.
Future research.
Okay. Policy recommendations are fine. The future directions, again, you are discussing here, right?
Yeah.
It's a repetition.
Again.
This one, you can keep it there. Are you getting my
Mm.
point?
Yeah.
This one is
This
having a
one I
little
keep
more
it here.
explanation.
Mm. Yeah.
Explanations are there. This one, you keep
Mm,
it there.
mm, mm.
Okay. Then come down.
I'll
That
I'll check
previous
what's the difference. I'll check again.
and the
Yeah.
previous
Mm,
one, just delete it.
mm,
Okay.
mm. Yeah.
There is no need of a
Yeah.
final thought.
Mm.
You just write all these things, the final thought of AI education leadership in the conclusion part, conclusion itself, copy and paste there.
Mhm.
Okay, you can come down.
Mm. Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
references. Mhm. Only this much references are there, right? Very sure?
Yeah. Yeah. Some of them same reference. Like we have some
No,
of them.
there is no need to write separately all the image references. All
Yeah.
the references will be
I'll add
including
them all.
under the references
Yeah.
itself.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll
And
do it.
one more thing I want to tell you,
Mm.
just follow the same format,
Because
okay?
I'm still working on the images, so that's
No
why
problem. No,
still
no
not
problem. No problem.
adjusted. Yeah.
So what you have to do,
Mm.
once you're done, send me your
Mm.
work. And
Mm.
I'm confused only this area, what you
Mm.
done, the conclusion area,
Yeah.
conclusions, recommendation, because the repetitions are coming there. You can avoid the
Mm.
repetition wherever
Yeah.
you find it. And second one, data analysis and interpretation chapter. I think there you need a little bit more good way of presentation. That's all about. Other chapters are very fine for me. And once you're done alignments and everything after corrections, you send to me. Let me check it out
Mm.
once again, okay?
Yeah. Sure.
So we will be meeting for the next class by
Sure.
updating more about this. And when you
Mm.
come for the next week, you just make
Mm.
a small presentation about, small
Yeah.
presentation, don't make some
Sure.
more time for this.
Mm.
Uh, Educational institutions which failed in the
Mm.
market.
Mm.
So it can be from any part of the world. It can be UAE, it can be any part of the world, you can mention it.
Yeah.
And the reason why they failed it.
Yeah.
And had they gone for any kind of, what is the strength of the institution? What is the weakness of the institution? What is the threat? And what was an opportunity? Why they failed
Mm.
in the market? So the
Yeah.
lessons learned from this. We can make a small
Mm.
presentation for the next week.
Yeah.
So let me check it out where you can fix it, that presentation in any of other, assignments. Already you
Mm.
submitted, you can also add one more assignment. Let me check it out there as well, okay? So all assignments have been created there, and you can work on your this one and send me. I will be checking for a review. Then
Yeah.
we'll be meeting for the next week. That
Sure.
week we'll be finalizing your MBA project. We're done with
Sure.
MBA project then. I
Inshallah.
believe all the chapters are almost okay. Only data analysis chapter and the final chapter
Yeah.
need a little uh, changes over there. We can do
Mm.
that. No worries.
We will.
Okay.
Inshallah. Mm.
Yes. Thank you so much, Hiba,
Thank
for
you.
joining today.
Thank you,
Bye bye.
doctor. Thank you.
Bye.
Take care. Bye bye.